Want to make more money online? Try these tips. Are you wishing that you could take a dream vacation or buy something you really want or need? Do you feel like you just don't have enough money to do the things you really want to do? Many people have found that the solution is to make money online. You can do the same. Keep watching to learn more. Be sure to keep an eye out for information on scams online. The range of online work is vast, but some of the work may be unsatisfactory. Read about the company before you choose to go with them. Research what others are doing online to make money. There are so many ways to earn an online income these days. Take some time to see how the most successful people are doing it. You may discover ways of generating an income that you never thought of before. Keep a journal so that you remember them all as you move along. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Children, spouses, and other people can cut you off at the most inconvenient times. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. Consider the things you already do, be they hobbies or chores, and consider how you can use those talents online. If you make your children clothing, make 2 of each and sell the extra on the internet. Love to bake? Offer your skills through a website and people will hire you. If you are knowledgeable about a particular subject, put your knowledge to work for you. There are many companies, such as About.com, that will pay you for your knowledge. Most of these sites do require you to write a certain number of videos each month, however, this is a fantastic way to bump up your earnings. Don't be afraid to make contact with real people, just because you're looking for money-making opportunities online. While most sites are self-explanatory and can be operated with little to no assistance, you can find out more about legitimacy by conducting conversations with site owners or other employees. If you don't hear back anything, that could be a red flag. Do you love to take photographs? If so, you can put those photographs online and begin making money. There are many websites that offer pay for your stunning photographs. Companies want beautiful photographs for brochures, pamphlets, and websites. Therefore, you can sell the rights to companies for use of your photographs. Publish an ebook. Lately, self-publishing has increased in popularity. Regardless of whether you enjoy writing fiction or self-help books, you could make quite a bit of money. There are a number of platforms that offer this, and you can make as much as 70% commission on each sale. If you have always wished there was a way to earn more money, now is the time to get started. There are now countless ways to do it, and this video should whet your appetite. Depending on how you choose to make money online, you can get started as early as tonight. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.